How to grow a TikTok account from nothing at all in 2025. And you're going to be learning this from someone who has actually done it themselves rather than all these people talking about how to grow. We got 400,000 followers on this account, and I got a brand new account I started about 2 months ago at 21,000 followers. So I'm going to go through exactly how I did it. And I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I've just started this new profile because I wanted to talk about creating content as opposed to what I normally talk about, which is finances and different things that I enjoy. But I actually really enjoy making content. So I thought I'd make a YouTube channel and a whole social media presence around actually making content. So if you're watching this video, you might actually be my only viewer because most of my videos right now are getting 1 view. So exciting times. And what I want to give you guys is the blueprint to actually leave your jobs, to start making money, become financially free, all using social media, because that's exactly what I have done. And I have not done it by teaching other people how to do it, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not a coach coaching you how to be a coach. I'm not someone who's built a social media from building other people's social media, right? I've done it separately and now I'm making these videos. So with that said, let's jump into it. So number one, if you want to make content, set yourself a goal right now. Make 1 video every single day for the next year. Make 1 piece of content every single day for the next year. Just do that. That might sound really daunting, or it might sound a little bit easy, but look at this. This is It's Crypto Connor. Feel free to go and check it. I post videos on here every single day, and they're mostly just talking about my thoughts on the cryptocurrency market. There's never any editing, and 50% of the time, I'm just talking about what's happening on the day, and 50% of the time, I'm responding to comments. So I make a video every single day, between 1 and 10 videos, in fact, every single day, and I simply just get the content out. And the formula that I follow is: the morning, I wake up, I check the count, I see which did the best from the day before, like this one right here. I then watch it, right? And I watch the hook from the video and I see, okay, what worked? I see this title probably worked, the first couple of seconds of what I said worked, and this works. So then what I try and do is I replicate that again. Then I go down and I find another video that worked. Here we go. Here's another one that worked. 26,000 views. So why did this work? What's the hook? How can I reuse that hook, change it very slightly, and apply it to the new video that day? I do this every single day. I then go into the comment section and I find good comments that I actually have an opinion about. Now, of course, I'm talking about crypto. You might want to talk about stocks. You might want to talk about something that's not even financial related. It could be makeup. It could be electronics. It could be the news. The news is probably a great thing. If you're interested in the news, but a specific niche in the news, every single day there's going to be something new to talk about. So you can come on and follow the exact steps that I just did. Maybe it's news of games, news of makeup, news of whatever. You're bringing the updates to the people. And then you're going to build a follower base of people who are like you, who think the same as you, who want to hear from you, and then they're going to be willing to buy from you. Maybe they're going to buy some sort of course. Maybe they're going to buy some sort of info product. Maybe they're going to buy a physical product. I myself have done all of those things, and those are an opportunity depending on which niche you grow on. Now, you can also create just a brand around your own image. You can create daily content. You can create vlogs. But one thing that I would suggest, guys, is not creating content that is really difficult to do. Like something like a daily vlog is actually really hard to do. Later on, when you have a team or when you have more things to do, it'll be much easier. But if you're going to make this content every day, think about content that you can create on the fly. You can create it quickly and you can be consistent, because I must say consistency is one of the most important things. People say you have to post every day, you have to post once a week, you have to post. Whatever you choose, do it consistently. I think once a day is really the benchmark of what you want. That's going to help you grow the fastest on TikTok. That's what I've seen with all of the accounts that I've grown. But what you need to do is you need to pick a niche and you need to stick to that niche, because if you choose one niche and you try and segue out of that niche, it's very, very hard to do so. I can show you from first-hand experience. I'm currently seeing if it's possible to segue out of my original niche on this account, which was basically comedy and reading stories from Reddit. I then segued away from that into financial stories, and it never really picked up. However, I did get some that got millions of views right here, but it was very hard and very few and far between. So I'm seeing again if it's possible, but it's very hard to do it. So start with the niche in mind that you want to follow, and then build content around that, all right? And that way you can continue to get tons of views even on a tiny account. When I first started this account about 2 months ago, we really quickly started to get a lot of views. If I can get all the way, there's a lot of videos because I'm posting every day. You can see here, this is the first video, and then we have 4,000 views, 900 views, 16,000 views, 26,000 views, 21,000 views, 5,000 views, 25,000 views. And one thing I must say, guys, is don't get caught up in the views. It doesn't matter. Look at this, 72,000 views, 150,000 views, 100,000 views, 500,000 views, and then just a couple of videos later, 2,000 views. It really doesn't matter. I wouldn't have even noticed until right now that that happened, because what I'm doing is I'm just posting content every day. I'm pumping the content out. I'm seeing what works. I'm replicating it. I'm trying new things. I'm replicating that, and I'm just rinsing and repeating this same process every single day. And the key here is make sure you're doing something that you actually enjoy. I enjoy talking about crypto, and I actually enjoy talking about content. That's why I thought I'll start making videos about content. But make sure it's something you enjoy talking about, because it's going to become a very hard slog if you create a job that you actually don't want. I've heard people talk about this. It's called like golden handcuffs, where you make a lot of money in something that you actually hate, right? And you've got to do it every day. And even though you're not working for someone else, you actually have the same thing as a 9-to-5 job, again, which you're trying to escape right now. So with that said, guys, focus on a niche, post every day, and double down on what works. This is what has got me to where I am today. And if you do want to stay up to date with what's happening with content creation, my videos, and all of the tips and tricks that I find basically every day here, smash that subscribe button, and do me a favor. If you are the one viewer that has made it this far, right, leave me a comment and I will respond to your comment with a video explaining whatever it is. Ask me a question. You can go on any of my accounts, just type my name in, right, Connor Kenny. Go on any of those accounts and ask me any question you like, and I will respond with a video about how to grow your Instagram, your TikTok, or your YouTube. With that said, guys, thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.